Hello, beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It is your girl Lena over here. Let us get started for the day. Day so far. Okay, gold OTC still. And definitely I'm trading binary options. Okay, on Pocket Option Broker. Okay, so good to have you all. Let us dive into it. No wasting time today. Yesterday we could not make it, but here we are for today. How has been your day? How was your day yesterday? I missed you all. I missed you all. Suraj, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you, our very number one. Good to have you. Good to have you, Suraj. What's up? What's up? Have you carried out some trading? How is it going? Guys, we are in the new week. So, new week, new month. So, let me hope at least you have carried out some trading. Let me hope you are trading with a purpose. So come through, fill me in. Exotic, okay, exotic over there. Good to have you join in. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so let us see what we are going to be having today. Of course, my expiration time set at 15 seconds, as you can see over here. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, in the building we have Bokoye. Bokoye, hi Bokoye, what's up? So we are in with our with our very first attempt over here. Bokoye, what's up? Good to have you. It has been a while. Okay, put at 400 my risk over there. Beautiful, beautiful. I've been amazing. I've been amazing. We are having some beautiful momentum over here. Okay. Beautiful bullish momentum over here. Okay, so that is lovely. That is lovely. Okay. All right, Bouquet. Oh my God, I've missed you. But it's so good to have you guys. You're almost welcome. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you join in. Godfrey, what's up? What's up? What's up, my dear Godfrey? Good to have you. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it looks like my anticipation did not go the way I anticipated. Not good at all. Not good at all. That is our first loss over there. So, guys, let us keep watching the market. Let us keep monitoring these charts over here, and we see. Let's go. So, today we are going all the way till the end. So, right. Come through, chat with me. Let me know what's up. How is it so far? We have just entered into a new month, guys. We are almost we are in the 7th month. So how far? What have you done? How is it going? Let me know. And definitely we need to be doing something about it right now. Okay, Ruth is in the building. Hi, Ruth. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you guys. How are you all doing? Oh my goodness. That is our second loss over there. Not good at all. Guys, what's happening with gold OTC? What is going on? But since we are still fresh into, we are still fresh, let us see, let us keep watching. Like I keep telling you guys, if you are trading and you feel like that particular pair is not doing things the way you anticipated them to be, feel free to switch. So let us watch gold OTC closely and we see. Okay, all right, let's go. So guys, today we are taking it personal trading all the way. We shall not be having donations for the day, unfortunately. I missed you guys yesterday. Here we are. So I'm using this day for us to chat, to interact, to know exactly how the week is so far. Fill me in and let me know what you would want me to talk about. What you have in mind. The year is rushing. The year is rushing. So for anything that you feel you are having troubles with, let us talk about it and we see. Hi Brown, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. That is Real Ton. Okay, a real tone. Okay, let me hope I've pronounced it right. Good to have you, my beautiful people. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. It is Yoga Lena over here. So we are already into the market. Let's see how it is all going to play out. Fill me in, guys. Fill me in. What's up? What's up? As you can see over here, I am using pure price action as my strategy. Okay, so you can share with me. Let me see the people who are on price action, and then those that are using a different approach altogether. All right. So anyone with price action over here, let me see. Let me see you come through. All right. Oh dear. Not good at all. Not good at all. Price action people, where are we? Where are we? Let me see who is with me. Okay. We killing the boy, of course. That is a beautiful one. Beautiful one. Beautiful momentum over here. Beautiful bullish momentum. Okay. Guys, let's go, let's go. We are in a new month, so surely we should be happy in it. Suraj, what's up? What's up? What strategy are you using in your trading? Guys, share with me. Share with me what strategies are you using in your trading? Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I missed you too. I missed you too. How have you been? Let me hope you've been okay. Lena over here has been amazing. I've been amazing. I missed you guys yesterday. But here we are. Okay, Zita is in the building. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Guys, we are taking it from the beginning till the end. We are together. We are interacting. We are chatting. We are vibing together. We are catching some tips together. So fill me in. Okay, so it's okay. That is a Shake over there. Hi, Shake. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. All right. Okay. I'm going to take you through the process. I'm going to take you through the process. Okay. A coffee. Hi, coffee. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. So much love from Yoga Lena over here too. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Zita is doing amazing. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Marady is in the building. Oh, oh, not good there, but we keep it going, guys. Positivity all the way. Positivity all the way. Marady, good to have you, my dear. How are you doing? How is South Africa? How is everything over there? Okay. Raymond, hi Raymond, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you in the building. Okay, that is a final. Hey, what's up? What's up? Namaste, namaste, guys from India. Good to have you in the building. Well represented by our finalists. By finalists, good to have you all. Good to have you all. Raymond, we can ask questions today. Yes, please. Today is actually today we are not going to be having donations, so we are taking it through. We are going all the way, just watching our chats, interacting, chatting here and there. So please, all right. We missed yesterday. We did not have a session yesterday, so we have to fill it in today, all right? So please feel free, feel free. I had someone who said, take me through the process. We are going to have that, so right. First of all, I'm trading on Pocket Option Broker. That is number one. And I'm trading binary options. Okay. I'm trading binary options. And over here, as you can see, this is Gold OTC chart. I'm on Gold OTC chart. So my setup over there, you are seeing I have an indicator, alligator indicator over there, 15 seconds, that is my expiration time. When we are dealing with binary options trading, we are dealing with expiration time. We do not have take profit or stop loss. All right. Expiration time, it depends. What expiration time would you prefer? It all comes back to you. On my end, 15 seconds works perfectly well for me, but you could find that for you maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. It's all good. What works for you is what you set. Okay, so for my expiration time, that is 15 seconds. The chart time, 15 seconds as well. Then for the candlestick, that is 5 seconds. So that is my setup. And I am risking 400 US dollars, as you see on the chart over there. All right. So that is with my setup. And then when we go down to what strategy I'm using, how am I using it? Let me also take you through. Okay, so guys, good to have you once again. Good to have you. I see you guys over there. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. We are onto the chat, so right, we are onto Gold OTC chat. We are seeing how it is taking us, all right? Positivity all the way. Today we are basically catching up, okay? Let us catch up, let us interact and know how we are doing. Has anyone looked at their chats today, yesterday? Have you made some profits? Any challenges first? Come through, let us all share. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me take you through my strategy. Okay. For the strategy, I'm using price action. Okay, that is price action. So what I look out for before I place in my entries, that is market direction, market structure. Then also I refine my entries with a candlestick patterns. Okay. Okay, yeah. So when we talk about when we talk about the market direction, we are looking at three different directions basically. One is okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So we have an uptrend, which we are in right about now. We are in an uptrend right about now. You could ask me, why are you placing in sell trades yet we are in an uptrend? Whenever we are in an uptrend, we also look at the higher highs and the higher lows. Now they have taken you to market structure. So once we are over there, let me take you step by step such that you do not get confused. Okay, so we have market direction. That simply means that we are identifying what direction is the market taking. Is it moving upwards or is it moving downwards? If it's moving upwards, there we say we are in an uptrend or we are in a bullish direction. And of course, there we know very well that the buyers are in control of the market. All right. So for someone who is trend trading, by trend trading, I mean where the direction we are taking, those are the entries that you make. So if you are trading, you place in your buy positions over there, your buy entries, you have buy moves over there. Okay. So if we are in a downtrend, you still place in your sell trades. But that means that it's the sellers that are in control of the market, but it does not take away the fact that the buyers can also appear in the market. Okay. So we also have another one that we call consolidation. With a consolidation, that is when both the buyers, I should use the word equivalent or are equal in the market. Both of them are in the market and they are both trying to pull the rope. They are both trying to okay, they are trying to do their very best to so that they take over the other, all right? So in that particular situation, you as a trader, you have to understand that okay, right now I have both people. What do I look at before I place in my entries? That simply means that it's going to go back to the candlestick patterns. You have to know, okay, right about now I am in this particular situation. How do I look at these candles? We have different candlestick patterns that form over there. We have some single ones that form, then we have some double or two candlestick patterns that keep forming. So you have to understand which one am I basically going to consider. Okay, so we have the engulfing candlestick, we have the engulfing candlestick patterns. This is where, for example, we have the previous candle was a sell candle, but it was covered or engulfed by the buy candle. That simply means that we are anticipating buyers to come into the market. So we shall definitely, but before you rush and enter into the market, you have to wait for that particular candle to first close before you do anything. Because if you just rush and place in your trades over there, it simply means that you might make a loss or the candle might close otherwise. Okay, so you make sure that you give it time, it first closes, then on the opening of the next candle, that is when you place in either your buy entry or your sell entry, depending. Okay, All right, so we have Marabuzo candles. That simply means that we are going to be strong in that particular trend that we are going to be forming, either in an uptrend or in a downtrend. We shall be strong. Okay, it will come up. The momentum will be really really good. So there, it simply gives you the it gives you that thought of buys if we are in an uptrend, or sells in that a particular trend that we are in. So just get ready. You see those opportunities, you strike. You see those opportunities, you strike. Okay. So that is, I was talking about market direction, but I've talked about a lot of things in just one thing. Okay, then we have the market structure. Okay. All right. So we have the market structure. Whenever we talk about the market structure, we are mainly looking at the market does not move that we are having up down up down up down. No, it doesn't move like that. So we have those different series happening. For an uptrend, we shall be having those higher highs and the higher lows forming in the market. Okay, just one second. Okay, so we have those higher highs forming and those higher lows forming. But then in that particular situation, what you have to do is identify that major. We have the major highs and the major lows. Okay, so all the higher highs that are being formed and the higher lows that are being formed should not drive you to conclude that over here I'm having this is the point that is pushing the other previous point to break structure. So with the higher highs, we focus so much on breaking structure, and then either we are going to have a continuation, or we are going to have a drop, or a reversal. It all depends. So we look at those those strong points. Let me say for the uptrend, we shall be looking at the that strong point, okay, that pushes the previous higher high to break structure. Whenever we break structure, that simply means that we are going to anticipate a pullback. A pullback is a small drop in price, right, before we strike up. So whenever we have that pullback, we can place in our trades over there. Whenever we have a pullback in an uptrend, it simply means that we are going to sell, right? Because we are having a drop in that particular trend. So we sell over there, but you have to be so keen and know what to do at a pullback, because if you do not know and you just place in a trade, you might end up closing in a loss. So know about the pullbacks over there before you actually strike and trade. After the pullback, we definitely anticipate that we are going to have a continuation. There we trade with a trend. Okay. Then also for the downtrend, we definitely look at that major lower high that pushes the previous major lower low to break structure, uh, anticipating pullbacks over there as well. Then strike if you can trade at a pullback. Then, if not so, please wait for the continuation and strike and sell. Okay, in that particular situation. For a downtrend, for as long as the major, we look at the major lower high and the major lower low. For as long as that pullback has not pulled above the previous lower high, we are still in a downtrend. It's the same applies to an uptrend. For as long as we are moving and the pullbacks that are forming have not broken below the previous higher low, we are definitely still in an uptrend. Okay, so you mark that. You should not get confused. And then the other thing, just make sure that you keep your eyes glued on your charts, because anything can go wrong. Anything can go wrong. You look at your chart, and then by the time you switch your eyes like this, you find that things are going south. All right. Okay, so that is it. I think let us proceed. I saw someone else asking something over here. Let me see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let us proceed, guys. Let us proceed. Yes, please. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. Okay. Love from Bangladesh. What's up? What's up? Teacher Lee, good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. That is Babu. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's all right. Everyone has their own strategy. Let us know what strategy are you using. What strategy are you using? Maybe we could pick a leaf, you know? And guys, remember one thing, everything that works for you, please use that, all right? Any strategy that works for you, just make sure that you use that. Do not think otherwise, because at the end of the day, as long as you're making profits, as long as you are making something for yourself, that is the most important thing. Okay, so guys, do not hesitate to share. Do not hesitate to share. Okay, Sun Reeve. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. We are live, my dear. We are live. We are live. Cut. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. That is amazing. Guys, you're all most welcome. Good to have you. It's your girl Lena over here, and we are cruising together. So let's go. Okay. Okay, Raymond says, please, I asked a question earlier. Okay, let me go through my comments over here and trace it. No worries today, guys. I got Okay. We are doing great. We are doing great.
Hey, Samantha, the mother tell me about that boy and the way I talk. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me. You know, me and you have nothing. You understand me?
Okay, just 1 second over here. Was just trying to fix something and we proceed. Yeah, okay, so that is a Raymond. Okay, so Raymond, I've seen your question over here. You're asking me about 80% and the 90% payout. Okay, I've seen it here. I've been looking for it. Let's go. Okay, so one thing one thing I can tell you, there are a lot of things that you consider. Okay, you consider. Actually, I'm on 80%, which is I'm always on 88%. But there are different reasons as to why people choose those different payouts. One, you look at the strategy that you are using. Then also price behaviors differ. You find that we look at very many different conditions, changing market conditions, the risk. So there are a number of things that we look out for. You find that maybe someone who is at 80% payout needs to be maybe like we are looking at you need to win at 55.6%. There are different things that really need to look out for. Then you find that maybe if that strategy that you are using the strategy that you are using aligns well with that particular pair, and then so different people have different reasons as to why they choose out that. I should say. I'm just hoping I've answered you, because we look at a few things. That is the strategy that you are using. Okay, we look at the price behavior. Then we also look at the market trend as well. Those are different things that actually pull you to choose a particular pair that you're going to use, and with that particular payout. You have said that we have those of 92%. Yes, they are there, but you find that they have different conditions. So when you go through everything, you might find that maybe it might not give you what you want or what you might need. So different people choose different different payouts depending. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So that was for Raymond over there. The Ask Corner. What's your time frame? 15 seconds. That is for the chat time frame. The same goes to the expiration time, and 5 seconds for the candlestick. Okay, Marvis, good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, that is from Papua New Guinea. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up? Teacher Lee says hi. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? Good to have you join in. That is Farhan. Farhan, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Guys, you're all most welcome. Good to have you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to have you all join in. Okay, Daniel over there. Good to have you. What's up? How are you doing? How is your Wednesday going so far? Biggie Tane. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, like I said, today we are all in for ourselves. All right, we are in for ourselves. So let us chat. Let us know. Okay. Look at that. Who do we have in the building? Okay. Hi, Sanjay. Hi, Sanjay. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through, my Sanjay. Emmanuel is in the building. Hi, Emmanuel. What's up, guys? As you can see, we are having some few losses here and there, but we are doing okay. 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 That is Cole in the building. Hi, Cole. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Goodness. Does someone have to smoke something? Mhm. I'm telling you, that is from Sanjay. Okay. Okay, Corey is in the building. Okay, hi Godwin. Hi Godwin. What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Hi San. San, this is live. We are live. And every day we come live, that is 3 p.m. Canadian time. Okay. Zitha, I see you over there. It's actually your prayers that we are here. We have a mission that we are on. Sanjay knows the plan. Sanjay knows the deal. Sanjay knows the deal. Guys, 10K, 10K, 10K subscribers. That is what we are looking at this month. So let's see. Hi, Paul. What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Serena. Hi, Serena. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Ooh, for the strategy that is a price action, and I've just actually taken you through. I've just taken you through. Unless you have a specific question that you want to ask, but we have just gone through the strategy where we have where we have market direction, market structure, and the candlestick patterns. And for my strategy, if you are using price action, one thing you have to focus so much on is understanding market structure, then also how to read the candlestick patterns. It makes it makes life better, it makes life easier when you know what to look out for, what candlestick patterns to look out for, what to do about them when they appear. Guys, not every candlestick pattern that forms in the market we have to rush and attend to it. Some that form, just let them be, okay? Just let them be, and wait for something that makes sense to you. Okay, you find that there are certain conditions in the market that really are going to drain you out, or they are not actually aligning with what your plan is. Just let it go. You let it go. Wait for something that is going to give you a profit, not just rushing into and placing in a trade. All right. And the other thing that I keep telling you, the market is rich. So we have very many opportunities. If you are going to concentrate on trend trading, wait for that. Okay, wait for that. Those opportunities are always there, and they are very many. So just wait for that. Place in your trades. Go home and rest. It does not mean that too much trading is too much profits. Okay, you can come through, carry out a few trades or have a few entries, but you close in profits. Let me give you an example. If you come to trade, and out of the 10 entries that you have placed in, you have 7 wins, please rest, rest. Okay, so okay, I'm just trying to give you an example. All right, that is good enough. That is good enough. It there you cannot say that I've closed in losses, I've had very many losses. No, no, my dear. Okay, so just make sure that at least you go with that. You go with the little ones, or a few profits that are made, and then be happy about them. Okay. All right. That is Sophie. Hi, Sophie. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, that is Sifi. Okay, hi Sifi. What's up? Summertime vibes. I'm telling you. So sorry about that. I would have seen you on the summertime vibes such that we vibe together. Okay, so good to have you in the building, guys. Okay, that is Rajesh. No, my dear, no, my dear, this is not demo trading. We are on real trading. Okay, who next? Sanjay. Hi, Sanjay. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your day going? How is your new month? Guys, happy new month. Happy new month. Let me hope you do good in it. Of course, trading wise. You do good in it, we win in it, and we keep winning. All right. That is Yahweh. Hi, Yahweh. What's up? Good to have you. Raymond is asking me, have you been using this strategy since you started trading? No, I cannot say I've been using only that one. Okay. I've been using other different ones as well. But I am focusing so much on this one because I find it simple, I find it easy to use, that even if I'm explaining it to someone, it becomes easy for them to understand. And in trading, we always have to look out for the easy parts or the simple things. For as long as they are giving us the profits that we need, let us use that and then become winners. We become profitable for anything that is giving you profits. My darling, concentrate on that. Okay. Definitely, we know about being consistent. Make sure that you are consistent in whatever you're doing. Trading consistently, your setup, use it consistently. The strategy that you're using consistently. When you have a plan, please use it. Do not deviate. Do not run away from it because things are getting tough. Okay, so just focus. Okay, let me see. I'm seeing someone over here. Okay, that is a link over there. Yes, please. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Lekala is in the building. Hi, Lekala. What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Guys, it's a new month. So, what are your plans? What strategies are you having? Like by strategies, I mean, what are your layouts? What do you have in plan? Of course, I'm not meaning that the strategy that you have, maybe you change it or something. No, I'm meaning, what are your plans? What are your plans for the new month? How are you going to take things? Are you taking things to another level? Are you going to change things a little bit? Are you going to do things differently to see that you make profits? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let me know. Okay, Lekala, I'm doing amazing. I'm doing great. How about you? You are in the building. Your homie is in the building as well. Perfect deep sleep, Polly. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. People from India are well represented. Okay, thank you, thank you. That is Nico C, all the way from India. Namaste, namaste. Good to have you in the building. Let's go. That is a Capral. What's up, my dear? Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Okay. Guys, make sure that whatever you are trading, These are some of the key things that you have to look out for. One, make sure that you have a strategy that you are using. Which strategy? I've talked about price action. That's the one I'm using as Lena over here. Okay, you could be having your own strategy over there. I do not know, but on my end over here, I'm using price action. And what I concentrate so much on, okay, I have to understand what direction am I in. After understanding that, market structure, market structure comes in. Then I refine my entries with a candlestick patterns. You are seeing the alligator indicator over here. It's good to also add a little flavor in what you're doing. So the alligator indicator backs up my strategy, okay? But I cannot say that I focus only on the indicator. I don't, but I can focus only on my strategy. The indicator, I use it just to help me back up my strategy. Okay, so what I look out for, meaning I have to understand the candlestick patterns, I have to know about market structure, where we know about the major points that affect the previous point to break structure. We focus so much on the breaking structure in that particular direction that we are in. If you are not good at trending at a pullback, please you wait for it to continue in that particular trend that it's in. If it's in an uptrend, then you buy. Of course, there are candlestick patterns that form after a pullback that give you a signal that over here we are going to proceed in an uptrend, unless we have broken below the previous major point that pushed the previous point to break structure. That is when you know that okay, over here we are going to change. um, we are breaking below, we are having a pullback, all right, we are having a reversal, and we are now letting go of an uptrend, and we are now going to start concentrating on this new trend that is being formed. Let me hope we are moving together. Let me hope we are understanding each other. So those are some of the points that you focus on, you look out for before you place in your trades. I do not know, but I love using price action because I feel it's easy, it's simple, it does not complicate. Like we have very many factors or things to look out for in different strategies, but you do not have to have all those 1,000 things to look out for. Look out for just a few things in your strategy and focus on them, concentrate on them, be consistent in using them, and see how they are going to perform for you. By being consistent, I do not mean that take it for 1 week and see how it's going to go. Go an extra mile. Take it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and see if you keep getting profits out of it. Okay? Every time you make a profit, concentrate and know why did you make that profit. If you make a loss, ask yourself, why did I make this loss? Keep asking yourself all those questions. Just keep being consistent. If you make, if you have, you're concentrating on that plan that you set, and in this, let me give an example. In this week, it has given you profits. Okay, now we are looking at 70% and profits and 30% loss. All right, that simply means that you're doing good, you're doing okay. So first be consistent. Now let me give an example. The following week you get, let me say, like 60% profits and 40% losses. It doesn't mean that you're doing badly. Now if you switch from that and then you are like, things are not doing I'm not doing okay, I need to get 100% profits, and that is not going to happen. It's not going to happen. As long as you see that you are making some profits, you are doing good, you are doing better every day, you're getting something out of the market, focus, okay? Focus. Just be consistent. Keep pushing, okay? There are days, you people have seen me at times when I'm trading here and things are just going wrong. It does not mean that my plan is wrong, my setup is wrong. It does not mean that. There are a lot of factors in the market that actually prevent us or hinder us from making those profits that we anticipated we were going to make. You find that maybe the volatility in that particular day, things are not so good, or you find that market fluctuations, you find that the market is just crazy. If the market is crazy, it does not mean that your setup is wrong. It does not mean that there is something wrong with your plan. And the moment you start doubting yourself and you start running away from your setup, your plan, your trading plan, that's when things start going bad and things start being horrible for you. So, guys, consistency is very, very important. Very, very important, and it helps a lot. It really, really helps a lot because there, at least you know that today things have not gone okay. Tomorrow things become better. The following day, like that, and you keep pushing. Okay, a criminal. Hi, criminal. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, let me see. Okay. Perfect deep sleep, Polly. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, my darling. Okay. We keep going. You're all most welcome. DJ System is in the building. Hi, DJ System. What's up, my dear? Hope you're doing okay. D-Banks. Oh, D-Banks. Okay, D-Banks. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, I'm seeing Sanjay over there checking on DJ System. That's lovely. Sanjay. My day is amazing. How about yours? How is your day? I'm already saying, guys, concentrate on the chats. Okay. That is cool once again. Good to have you. Danny, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Cut over there. Okay, so I am streaming live from Canada here. How about you? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching your Galena from? Guys, let's go. All right. This is for Maredi and Lekala all the way from South Africa. I know a few songs. I know a few songs, and I attach them to different places. Okay, okay. A cat all the way from Nigeria. Hi, cat. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you, guys. We are in a bullish over here. Mhm. Let's go. Remember, binary, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Both our entries we have closed in a plus. Let's see with our cell over here. Guys, I was telling you, remember with binary options trading, we are focusing so much on, oof, closed in a loss over there. Okay, so we are focusing so much on the expiration time. Once the expiration time ends, that's it. That's it. So that simply means that we have to calculate our entries before we place them in. I'm sorry tonight. Thank you, Adams. Thank you, Adams. Okay, love you too as my family member. You know, this is a beautiful community for us. This is a beautiful family that we have over here. So, guys, all of you, I love you so much. I appreciate you guys. I do. I knew. So, guys, I really, really do appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so let us keep going. I just don't know how to thank you enough, guys. But thank you for always coming through. Thank you for coming through in big numbers today. Let us keep it that way. Let us keep it going. We keep it growing. We keep becoming better and better every single day. By the time we close the year, we should be where we want to be. Okay. I know. Let's have this. We see. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so for the donations, the minimum is 350 US dollars. I'm seeing Kat is asking me what is the least donation amount. That is 350. And then for the donations details, you check in my description over there. The donations link is the donations link is in the description over there. My beautiful people. What's up? Good to have you. Let's go. Let us watch the market and we see. Let's watch it. We are. Okay. Who we are. We are not beautiful. To improve or to do better in your trading, just make sure that you know how to interpret what the chart is saying day by day. Like, do not throw 1,000 things on yourself, okay? Do not throw 1,000 things on yourself. Take it one step at a time. If you decide to know or to understand or to learn about, ooh, that's a loss over there, but we proceed. Okay, so if you decide to learn about market structure, handle that, make sure that you have understood it, and then you proceed. Then, if you are to learn about the candlestick patterns, we have very, very many candlestick patterns that keep forming, all right? But you could have those that you will be looking out for you to place in your trades. Not all of them are going to be useful to you, I should say. So you should be having a few that you look out for because you're going to use them to refine your entries, all right? So take it one step at a time and then you see how good you become or how better you become in your trading. Okay, that is a Satire Life show Mark D. Actually, with a Mark D. Okay, with a Mark D. Unfortunately, that's where my camera is. Okay, that's where my camera is. But what you should know about it, both the MACD and the alligator indicator, I've set them at default. Alright, I've set them at default. Okay, please, that is cut. Please, what you're still asking about the amount, network issues. Okay, so I said it is a 350 US dollars, 350 US dollars. Okay, Prosperous Jerry. Hi, Prosperous Jerry. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Yeah. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. How are you doing? How is trading over there? Let me hope you are remaining consistent. Let me hope you are doing okay. Let me hope you are becoming better. Okay. On my end, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Sanjay, thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear. I love you guys so, so much. Each one of you is so special to me. All right. You are so, so special. Thank you for always coming through. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for growing with me. Thank you for becoming better traders with me. And we keep it going till for as long as for as long as the market still exists, for as long as trading still exists, we are stuck together. All right. Okay. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, Prosperous. Okay. So we keep it going. No stopping at whatever cost. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. You hold me tight and I'll let go. Symphony. Okay, back to our chats. Mm-hmm. Guys, fill me in. Fill me in. Fill me in. What's up? What's up? What's up? I told you today the 2 hours are for us. Right? No donations today. I think we shall proceed with that tomorrow. So today, let us talk about everything and anything. Okay, we vibe together, we improve ourselves together, we share experiences. Guys, I've been sharing with you my experience, my trading experience. When we keep talking about these, we keep sharing. You could be going through the same situation, okay? And you find that maybe Lena is talking about it, she went through it, and she came out strong. One thing you should not try out is testing the market or revenge trading. I did that. Of course, you know very well that things do not turn out to be good at all. Things just become bad. You're revenge trading and you are revenge trading with the market that does not feel anything, that does not want to know. For it, all it's looking for is, do you know the skill? Do you understand? Oof, both entries. I've closed in a loss. Ouch. Okay, let's go. Mm. Us as traders, we feel like money is everything, profits are everything, right, guys? But of course, that does not take away the fact that we need to remain human, we need to remain sensitive. We make the money, we dance in it, but at the same time, oh goodness, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, let us keep trying. No giving up. Okay, let me buy here. Ooh. That is still closing in a loss. It's all about money, money, money. What dance? Forget about the price tag. Bowing, bowing. Bowing, bowing. Forget about the price tag. Mm. Mm. Not so good, but we keep pushing. That is 100. Hi, 100. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, let us proceed and we see on the bench. Feels so sweet. Okay, that is beautiful. Really, really, really. Yes, please. Okay, let me see Adams. Adams is saying, please, Ma, let's talk about the types of markets. Okay. Um, I believe there are a lot of markets, and financial markets, we group them by the kinds of assets that are traded. So, right. So, of course, there we look at a forex. Forex. We look at there are a number of them actually. There are a number of them. Okay, let me just talk about the ones that I've heard about or the ones that I've actually involved myself in. Okay, that was a good one, but let's keep going. Okay, so we have Forex, we have crypto. I've actually traded crypto before coming into binary. I was into cryptocurrency market. We have stock market. We have bond market. There are really a number of them. So I do not know exactly what you mean by your question, but yes, no, there are really a number of them. So I've been in cryptocurrency. I've heard about forex trading, but I've never tried it. I just keep hearing about it. I've never tried it. And the people here in our beautiful family over here, when we talk about when we talked about forex trading, most of them discouraged me. They discouraged me. They told me, over there, don't even look at it. Don't even go there. So I believe they must have found a lot of disadvantages that side. I do not know. I do not know really. I don't want to say things that I know nothing about. I was in crypto when I just started trading, and it was good. It was good. When I heard about binary options trading, of course, the people who introduced me into crypto trading are the same people who introduced me to binary options. So I love binary options because it's something that you risk what you can afford to lose. It deals with the expiration time. It gives me the opportunity to actually trade whenever I want, every time I want. So I felt like on my end, it was a good one. And what else? Nothing much really to talk about, but yeah, those are the different ones that are so common around me, around the people that I stay with. But there are very many different markets that probably maybe some I've even never heard of, but they exist anyways. So forex, crypto, binary options. There are, I think, futures. There are bonds. There are a lot. There are a lot really. So I believe it all depends on where you land and where you become successful, where things get better for you, where things work out for you. So that is where you settle. On my end, I have a brother who ever since he started trading, he has been in cryptocurrency ever since he started trading up to now. And for him, of course, uh, ever since he started trading, he is so much into the long term trading. Yes, so for him, he finds it good, okay, and profitable for him. So we are different people and we all have different achievements, different things that we look out for. Okay, so right, so that's what I can say, I think. Okay, so that is a plus. Good. Let us keep it going. Muji, hi, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Okay, I'm seeing that is a girl over there. Hey, Lena, I trade a feature, but I don't know anything about the OTC. So with the OTC, first of all, we have a broker, which is pocket option. That is number one. And with the OTC markets, it is these are the markets that are open throughout, whether weekend, a public holiday. For them, they are open. Okay, they are open, and you are free to trade whenever whenever you have time. And with the binary options, we deal in expiration time. That depends on you. You could decide that on my chart, as you can see, I'm using 15 seconds. So that is my expiration time. Whenever the 15 seconds expire, that simply means that I'm meeting my fate. Either I'm closing in a plus or in a loss. So first we deal so much in expiration time, and one thing you should also know is that it's highly risky, for anything that is short term, or scalping. As you know, scalping, it is short term, so you expect a lot of losses because you have not really taken so much time into analyzing what exactly is going on or what is happening. Okay, so one thing you have to know is that it is highly risky, so you have to know so much about risk management. How do you manage these risks in the market, which also applies to the other markets. But here, you have to make sure that you put in something that you are willing to lose. Remember, when we are in crypto, I think also in forex, I've never traded forex or feature or something of that sort. But remember, let me say what I know in crypto. We have take profit and stop loss. But here, expiration time. Once it expires, you're meeting your fate. You're either winning or making a loss. So what does that mean? You put in something that you are willing to lose. As you see over here, I risked 400 US dollars. That is what I'm willing to lose. You find that someone else is going to come through and risk maybe 450, 600, depending, really, depending. So that's how, with the OTCs, that's how we work it out. Okay. Okay, let me hope I've tried to give you a little insight. All right. Let me tell you, the thing is, the thing is, if if you place in trades, that is real tone. I don't know why after making some profits, I begin to hesitate when taking new trades. I also start to overthink. Let me tell you, one thing you should know is that if you are trading, and this is going to be a loss. Okay, beautiful. Okay, goodness. It has shot me in the leg, but nothing to do. Nothing to do. Okay, so if you get some profits, that is what I was saying. If you get some profits, do not stick so much on or insist so much on sticking around. Make some profits, relax, give your brain a break. All right. It doesn't mean that when you are trading, very many trades mean profits. No, it doesn't work that way. You could have a few entries, a few entries that you are sure that okay, this one I'm anticipating. Of course, we just anticipate because you know how this market works. This market is not our friend, is not our brother, not our mother, not our father. Anytime it can decide to do whatever it wants to do. So we anticipate. And when you make some profits, please run away from the market before it gets annoyed and it even comes for the few profits that you've made. All right. So please, yeah, it happens. It happens. It happens. Godwin, my darling. Hi, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Mm, okay. Mhm. All right, let's go. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya. Swala la la, swala la la. Mm. Swala la la, swala la la. Mm. Okay. Prosperous, that is very, very true. Very, very true. That is very true. I'm with you. Mm-hmm. We keep it going, guys. No wasting time today. It feels so good being here, chatting with you guys, knowing what's up. We interact. You know, people come through with their different ideas, how they do things, how they've achieved. It is really, really good interacting with you guys. I feel so much love. I feel blessed having each and every one of you guys here. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's go. Okay, we are in an uptrend. What does it give us? Let's see. I told you guys, if you are in the market and you are not understanding, the situation is not um, adding up in your understanding, in your thinking. Let it be. Let it be. All right. We are here to make money, not to stress ourselves. Losses will be there, but there are those losses that really, really don't have to happen, that we have to avoid, that we have to prevent. More so when the market is acting in a crazy way. Let it be. Okay. You're sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust. Unless I stuck by ya. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I leave on you, you don't make it easy. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Sujan, what's up? What's up? What's up? Guys, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking around. Okay, Sujan, I want to learn trading. Yes, my dear. Thank you for coming through. Just make sure that every day you come through, you join us here. This is a group for traders. We are here to learn. We are here to improve ourselves. All right. So just make sure that you come through every day. If you have questions, please ask. All right. Every day I go through the strategy that I use to trade. I go through my setup. I go through everything that I do as a trader. So if you keep coming through, you will definitely understand a few things here and there, how you're supposed to do things, how you're supposed to look at the charts, okay? How you are supposed to understand what exactly is going on. So just keep coming through every day, all right? And then we learn together, we grow together, we become profitable traders together. I go forever. Okay, Salim, what's up? What's up? Okay, this is a pocket option. This is pocket option. First of all, I focus so much on pocket options, so I'm not so sure about the expert option. I can tell you all about pocket option. Okay. David is asking, what is the name of a trade? Okay. David, I'm trading binary options. Okay. Yeah, you go right, Papa. Okay, David. Okay, that is Salim. Okay, Salim. Is it like other brokers? One thing I can tell you about pocket option, I believe different brokers, you find that they offer different things. I'm not so sure, but for pocket option, uh, it offers binary options, all right, which you might find that other brokers are offering other things. Let me say, like maybe stock, forex, features, or other options. All right, but for pocket option, it is fixed on. It offers binary options. Okay. Okay, hi Joshua, what's up? What's up? How are you doing? Okay, Joshua, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Oh my goodness. Let me see these two, what they are going to give me. Okay, beautiful. Both of them we have closed in pluses. Yes, John, you will definitely learn. One thing I'm going to request you is that the Telegram link is in my description as well. Make sure that you subscribe such that you are added onto the group. All right. Over there, I keep sharing information. It will also be of help. Then on YouTube, on my YouTube channel over here, of course, every day I go live at 3 p.m. Canadian time. So just make sure that you subscribe and you stick around, okay? Then, yeah, those are two different channels where we can learn from. And then also for anything, you can send me a message. You can send me a message in my Telegram inbox, and then we chat a little. We see where to help, how to go about it. Salim, it's basically scalping. It's scalping. High ends. Oh dear. You know, one thing is, I always appreciate so much people who come through, you ask, all right? You ask such that you learn. You ask and you learn. It is a good way of doing things, and to also improve yourself, because we know different kinds of markets, all right, or we do different kinds of trading. But you find that maybe someone is doing something that you've never heard of. It's good that you ask, and then from there, you never know, maybe it could add something on you. You could become also a good trader just the way they are. Let's go. Hi Rama. Hi Rama. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Confidence is in the building. Hi Confidence. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing.
Oh baby, choose what you wanna choose. I buy you shoes, but Jimmy Choo. And I like the way I get to knock. So up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. Up in my Maserati. Up in my Maserati. Yeah, I wanna see you go down. See me, I love you when you step on. Up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. And I just wanna see you down.
Somebody, somebody. Somebody, somebody needs somebody.
Let me give you butterfly. Say now you did this for rising. I'm on the strongest of your eyes.
Okay, let's go. Why not take it up to 30K? Let's go. Okay. Okay, look at that. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Hi, Martin. Hi, Martin. How are you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you. That is Zoe. You guys have such beautiful names. Zoe, all the way from Mexico. Hi, how are you doing? Salim, good to have you, good to have you. Thank you so much. Francis. Francis is new, guys. Let's welcome Francis. Francis, you are most welcome. Good to have you in the building. Oh no. Good to have you in the building. Thank you for coming through. Just make sure that you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let us keep it here every day. I go live at 3 p.m. That is Canadian time. Make sure that you are clocked in. Okay.
Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad.
You know it's so funny.
Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. Don't know what's over me.
I don't know it's so funny. I'm overthinking everything.
Sometimes you feel like
Nobody.
they don't understand the way I feel.
Okay, so guys, we are going to end here for today. It has been an amazing session. All right. Thank you, guys. Let us keep it like this every day. Let us keep shining. Let us keep becoming beautiful and amazing traders. Every day, make sure that you add something to yourself. All right. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.